In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Salesforce developer account. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to developer.salesforce.com sign up. This is the official Salesforce developer sign up page where you can create your own development environment. Make sure you're on the correct website before entering any information, since this is where your account setup begins. Once the page loads, fill in the registration form with your personal details. You'll typically be asked for basic information such as your name, company details if applicable, and your email address. One important part of this form is the username. Salesforce requires the username to be formatted like an email address, but it does not necessarily have to match your actual email inbox. It just needs to be unique in the Salesforce system. So if your preferred username is already taken, try a variation that still looks like a valid email address. As you complete the form, take a moment to double check everything before moving on. A small typo in your email address could prevent you from receiving the verification message, which would delay the setup process. Accuracy here will save you time later. After you've entered all of your registration details, click the Sign Me Up button. This submits your request and tells Salesforce to create your developer account. Depending on your connection and the system response, it may take a few moments to process. Once submitted, Salesforce will send a welcome email to the inbox you used during registration. Next, open your personal email inbox and look for the welcome email from Salesforce. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder just in case it was filtered there. Sometimes these emails can take a few minutes to arrive, so give it a little time if needed. When the email arrives, open it and click the Verify Account link. This step confirms your email address and activates the next part of the setup. You'll then be prompted to create a secure password for your new Salesforce environment. Choose a strong password that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Once your password is set, your Salesforce developer environment will launch, and you'll be ready to start exploring the platform. That's it. You've successfully created your Salesforce developer